My nigga's shit. I love him.
Hey, I'm Louis.
I said Jaime looks like he's about to sell cars today. His polo tucked in and everything. Looks like he works for Auto Nation. He said, I'm gonna go work with Giovanni.
This is like a car salesman.
What can I get you in today, sir? Oh, no down payment? Ah, man, that's gonna be a tough one.
What is those with that guy?
Man.
When the guy with long hair walked in?
So Jaime's a car salesman and Luis works at Whataburger. It's their new manager. What did you order?
I ordered number 2 with no pickles, no mustard. Add cheese, please.
And Jaime wants double meat.
Double meat.
Jaime's like, I can get you in a 03 F250 for $850 a month. We're gonna get you a super low interest rate. I'm talking about 37%. Gotta run some numbers. I gotta go talk to my supervisor in the back. I'll be back. I'm about to drop the top. You look super young, bro. Sergio here getting fries.
One thing I'll recognize him.
Where's your beard, though?
Luis took it off.
Dang, Luis.
Not a little dye to it, man.
I told leave it up here, bro.
Somebody could just leave it.
It looks like a road going through the forest. Super spiky. That's probably the cleanest haircut you ever got, Sergio.
Think so?
Yeah. You got that little cutted beard.
I thought I was going for it.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Luis looks swole from this angle right here.
He is swole.
That's what, man.
My bad. My bad.
Swole list.
Luis Schwarzenegger.
Sorry to what?
I thought you were gonna straddle him to do the front.
He wants to sit on my lap.
What if I sit right here like a number review?
Yeah, bro.
Bet you won't do it for the vlog. Let's put it on TikTok. Let's go viral, guys.
Kiss his forehead.
Kiss his forehead. Shout out to that boy Jaime for the chicken biscuits. Ooh. Never had one of these before, so hopefully they're delicious. It's free, so that's a plus. Let's see what this chicken biscuit's about. Chick-fil-A, always on point. I just cut up a celebrity, a meme celebrity. We got Daniel in here with the white Vans.
Damn, Daniel. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white van. Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with the white vans. It's thirsty, man. Damn. Daniel.
He back in there. Had to bless him one time. Look at that beard, though. Sheesh. This is why we have the best boss in the world. He's always looking out, making sure we all stay A1. Shout out to Barber Strong.
You did a red still. You did a red still. Red? Yeah, pop out my.
When did you Beijing your beard?
I didn't. It's all natural. Come on.
Was it 2 days ago?
It was on Wednesday.
It's crispy still.
It was Christmas.
Super crispy, bro.
I did it nice, huh?
Yeah.
You get down. I don't always let you in my beard, bro, when I do.
It looks super natch.
Hector was this and that.
Who?
Hector.
What do you say?
I have a weak ass beard.
Did he text you?
Just to disrespect my beard.
Say it's easy to talk big when you're the only one that works in the shop.
Sorry?
Tell him it's easy to talk big when you're the only one that works in the shop.
I was like, the hair on my head looks better than yours,
What's up, YouTube? So we just left the shop. It was a busy day. Fresh Friday was incommense, but I'm about to go pick up the kids, and we're gonna go to this reverse parade, is what they're calling it. Basically, downtown Amarillo, they're gonna have all of the floats all posted up and parked, and the general public can just drive through and go look at all the lights. So it's gonna be something different. So I'm gonna take the kids to go see some lights, and then probably call it an evening tonight. Pick up some food and go home. Enjoy this Friday evening with the family, and get back to it tomorrow. Go hard. Be there at 8 a.m. tomorrow at the shop with the gang, with the crew. So looking forward to that. And yeah, but let's get to these Christmas lights. We got the kids.
Hello.
You guys ready to see Christmas lights?
Yeah.
You ready to see Christmas lights? Okay. Kai. Say Christmas lights. Hey, say Christmas lights. No.
Christmas balance.
You ready to see Christmas lights, bro?
Yeah, Christmas balance. Yes, I'm ready to see Christmas.
Let's go. Are you tired? Are you sleepy?
Oh God.
Oh, you better not go to sleep, and we're gonna see lights. I am mad. We waited 2 hours to get to the turnoff, and then they block it and close it off. So we missed a light show, and we waited 2 hours for it. We've been 2 hours. Amarillo, you suck. Ginger Nelson, you suck. What's good, everybody? But that'll do it for the day. I apologize I couldn't show you guys or my kids some Christmas lights, thanks to the city of Amarillo. But we're gonna get back to the shop tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas episode. But before we close it out, there's some Christmas lights for y'all. But I'll see y'all tomorrow, and until next time, God bless.